This is number 28 in our Chapter 10 review, where we're asked to give the value of the trig function secant 7 pi over 4. Again, if we have our unit circle in front of us, we can find the reciprocal of secant, which is cosine, and then get its reciprocal. But let's say we don't have that in front of us. Secant, or 7 pi over 4, is down in quadrant 4. Here's 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. Cosine, we know down there in quadrant 4, is, according to a smart trig class, positive. So its reciprocal is positive there as well. So let's convert 7 pi over 4 to an angle measure in degrees by multiplying by 180 over pi and simplifying. Once again, the pi's cancel. 4 goes into 180 45 times. So 7 times 45 will be our answer, and that is where our angle of 315 comes from. So this is a 315 degree angle. Well, now we want our reference angle. So in quadrant 4, we find our reference angle by taking 360 degrees minus 315 degrees. And we find that our reference angle in degrees is a 45 degree angle. So we think about our isosceles right triangle that contains a 45 degree angle, another 45 degree angle, and a right angle, and the ratio between the sides of that triangle. Cosine, according to Chief Sokotoa, is adjacent over hypotenuse, so secant is the reciprocal of that, hypotenuse over adjacent. The hypotenuse of this triangle is square root 2. The adjacent is 1, and square root 2 over 1 is equal to square root 2. We know this is positive because, again, according to a smart trig class, cosine and its reciprocal are both positive in quadrant 4.